Came in late last night and it was dark, and there was one other camper here, and they already took off earlier today. But I figured, why not? We'll check this place out before we pack up and leave. And we're at Strawberry Point Recreation Site. It's $15 a night to stay here. Self-register, and we're sitting at Lillooet Lake. And this is not a normal colored lake. Huh, that's interesting. I've never been here before. I've never seen this lake before. I have no information on this lake. So I see a lot of the debris out there. Huh, interesting. I wonder if this is a dead lake, if I'm correct or not. There's a lot of dead trees hanging out. And there's even one in the middle of the lake. Check this out. There's just an entire tree in the middle of the lake. Just floating along. Interesting. Man, I can't see anything. I didn't bring my glasses. Keep forgetting about that. When you go into the sun, you always need some glasses, because you won't be able to see for the first few minutes until your eyes get adjusted. And I've been in my dark van in the dark bush. Somebody lost their sandal. There's one thing I can say. Fishing this lake would be terrible. Like, no joke. Like, what the heck? There's like a log and a stick every 5 feet. I swear. Well, we're gonna browse around a little bit, and then we'll take off here in a little bit. We're gonna mount Starlink on the roof, which is gonna be interesting. But we're on a dirt road, and we're not gonna be doing, 100 kilometers an hour. So I figure there's no service out here. We'll mount it up there. We've got a 100-kilometer dirt road, 100 kilometers back out. We're gonna go adventure off to Sloquet Hot Springs. We'll see how it is, see if we can get in there. I was told we can. I was told my van should make it. A little bit of a bumpy road, but so far not too bad. This must be a glacier-fed lake, judging by the color. You don't see that color on lakes very often. Alright, let's throw the drone up in the air, and then after that, we'll see you guys down the road. Okay, I got Starlink mounted. I got it angled slightly down this way. It's gonna stay like that. It's not gonna go full on angled like that. It'll stay flat. All right, see you later, Strawberry Point. Nice catching some sleep here. All right, we'll see you guys around the next bend. Well, we finally made it to the hot springs. I don't know what it has. Sloquet? Locket? Sloquet? I don't know how to pronounce it. It's a little cold here. Just almost tempted to grab like some firewood to bring down to the to the hot springs with me. So when I change, I'll have somewhere to warm up. That's all right. We got a van we can warm up in. We'll bring like some clothes and a towel, and we'll change down there because there's a place to change down there, kind of. So yeah, don't really have much view of the sky, so I'm not gonna expect much signal from Starlink when I'm parked. So I'll probably turn that off here in a second. But I'm gonna at least send a text message and let my family know where I am in case I go missing. But I'm not gonna go missing, obviously. But just for emergency sakes, I'll keep my family updated on my location and where I am. All right, guys, we'll see you guys down at the hot springs. All right, hot springs, here I come. Never been in one before. This is gonna be cool. All right, let's go check it out. He said the end of the road on the left side down the boulders. So I'm assuming these boulders right here. There's no fires beyond this point. That sucks. Cool to have a little fire pit down there. This is pretty treacherous. Not too bad. Said it used to be worse. That is all steam from this pool. I was laying down here because there was a group of people still here, so I figured I'm staying the night. I figured I'll wait my turn and get my chance at the hot spring by myself. Woo. This one is definitely a couple degrees hotter. Whoa, that's hot. Oh man. Oh, look at that. There's another spring right there. That's probably where most of the hot water comes in, and that's probably why this is the popular pool. Oh man, this is the life. This is so awesome. We've even got some decorations up here. Oh, this is beautiful. It is definitely like 3 or 4 degrees hotter just over there. I can just feel it with my toes. Woo. Hot. Man, oh, what can freaking end this week or begin this week off by a dip in a hot spring. Absolute fire. Quite literally, I'm on fire. Woo! Well guys, I think that's gonna be it for today. Maybe we'll do another dip in the morning before we leave. That I'm excited to do. I'm excited to just sit here for about, I don't know, another 20 minutes and just enjoy this hot spring, because this is the first time. And who would have thunk if I was sitting at home playing video games, I would have missed this. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. What an amazing day. It doesn't matter if there was people here hopping in. I was sitting here for like 20-25 minutes just relaxing while they were, you know, doing their thing. They probably look like locals just got off work. There was a group of 5, and there was a couple just before that, and now it's just perfect. I get the whole place to myself. Hot pool, medium pool, baby pool. And then really cold Arctic water over there. I don't know if you can see that. You can definitely hear it, I know that. It's so loud, I'm gonna have to talk over top of it just for you guys to hear me. That would be funny too if I had some visitors, bears or other people. It's getting late, guys, so we're gonna sit here and relax until it's a little bit darker. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys on the next episode, which is tomorrow. Peace out. Okay, that's too high. Woo! Too high.